Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. So friends, so viewers, in today videos I am going to show you the amazing and latest collection of Burmese dresses and the traditional dresses of Myanmar, which look stunning and amazing. I hope you will be also like this videos as well. So viewers, you can see both beautiful and amazing designs. Burmese dress is latest design with beautiful and amazing designing of Burmese and neck design, sleeve design and the printed shirts. A lot of beautiful color combination are also added in these videos. I hope you will be enjoy this video. So watch this video till then so you can enjoy more beautiful and amazing ideas. Combination and color are amazing, different color combination printed shirts, designs, sleeve designs, so they can also enjoy this amazing and gorgeous ideas. Also don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and also the bell icon button. If you press the bell icon button, then you will get all the notifications on which type of videos you want to see. We will make the videos into request.